video, I'm going to be showing you how to show elapsed time on the number line. So elapsed time is as time passes, so how long it takes to do something, or if this is my starting time and this is how many minutes an event was, what my ending time would be. So I'm going to show you two different examples of that. So just so that we're all on the same page, time is shown in hours and minutes, and the reason that that's important is because we're going to make jumps on the number line in hours and in minutes. So it's very similar to place value, how we make hops with tens, hundreds, and ones. So here we'll be hopping by hours and minutes. So in my first example, my starting time is 7:24, and I'm going to, something is happening 43 minutes later. So I want to find out when that, what that time will be 43 minutes after 7:24. So when I look, I'm going to be hopping minutes. So I don't have any hours here. So 7:24, 43 minutes. So I'm going to hop 4 hops of 10 and then a hop of 3. So my first 10 minutes, and I like to just put an M to remember, then that is 7:34, and you'll notice that my minutes changed by 10. And then another 10 minutes is now 7:44. Again, my minutes change, so it's a lot like place value. And then another 10 minutes, now it is 7:54. So that's 30 minutes. And then another 10 minutes, this can be a little confusing sometimes or tricky. There's no 7:64. When I get into the 60s, I know a new hour has started. So here it's actually going to be 8:04. So that's my 40 minutes, and then I need 3 more minutes. So here, plus 3 minutes, it is now 8:07. So this is how you show time on the number line. I hopped 40 minutes and then 3 more minutes. Now let me show you an example if you are hopping hours and minutes. It's very similar to place value. So here is 7:24, and now in an hour and 36 minutes something is happening, or it takes me an hour and 36 minutes to start to stop. So we'll see what that stopping time is. So here, let me hop my hour. So I'm going to put 1 hour. So now my hours need to change, so it's going to be 8:24. And now I need to do my 36 minutes. So let me hop. Some third graders can hop 30 in one jump, or you could do 10, 20, 30. So either way works. I could do 8:24, 8:34, 44, 54, or I could hop 30 at one time. So I'm going to hop 10, 10, 20, 30. So that's plus 10 minutes, plus 10 minutes, and plus 10 minutes. So now it is 8:34, 8:44, 8:54, and then 6 more minutes. So I'm going to hop plus 6 minutes. So 54 minutes plus 6 is going to get me to 8:60. And again, that is not a time that we use, but when I get to a group of 60, I know that that's starting a new hour. So it's actually going to be 9 o'clock. So number line for how you have a starting time with how long something is occurring, and so now I found my stopping time. Now down here, this is a little bit different. This is my starting time and my stopping time. I need to figure out how long the time is in between. So maybe there was, I woke up at this time and I needed to leave my house at this time. So how much time in between do I have to do my laundry or go to the gym or whatever it is? So here's that. I'm going to show you how to do that. So 9:14, and I'm just going to hop hours because I know that they're not close to each other in time. If I was in the 10 o'clock range, I would have to be a little bit more careful and precise. So here I have 9:14. 1 hour would be 10:14. Now I have 11:14, 12:14. Now I got to be careful. I'm coming up on my hour, and remember, there's no 13:14. Time goes in groups of 12 hours, so I need to hop, and it's going to be 1:14. And I need to be careful because if I went past this time, I would have to back up and now start doing minutes. So this was 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. So I have 4 hours so far. It's 1:14. Now I need to start hopping by 10 minutes. So here I can do 10 minutes. I'm now at 1:24. Another 10 minutes is now 1:34. If I do another 10 minutes, I'm at 1:44. That is too far. So now I could maybe get to the next 10. So I could say a plus 6 minutes gets me to 1:40. And then 2 more gets me to 1:42. Or I could have hopped and said just plus 8 minutes, whatever works. So here is I have a starting and stopping time, and I'm using hops. So now I need to see, I use my visual to get an answer here. So my answer is how much time is in between. So let me see, I have hours. I have 4 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let me add up my minutes, 10, 20, 26, 28 minutes. So 4 hours and 28 minutes in between 9:14 and 1:42. So maybe this is my starting time and stopping time of an event or time that I have to do whatever I want with. Here we had a starting time with I know how long I have in between, and I was trying to find my ending time. But both of them kind of use the same strategy of hopping by hours and minutes. So use this on your homework when you are trying to find elapsed time, time that is going on, and you're trying to figure out how long it is.